Your intuition, baby, it is a blessing. So stop second guessing yourself. Remove the veil, inhale, exhale, to see right through the lies he tells.
This could either go really good or really bad. We're just gonna see. Hey guys, it's Curlytashh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. What's good? What's poppin'? So today, as y'all can tell, I'm dyeing my hair red. I might regret it. I don't know. But as you guys can tell, it's time for a touch up anyways, and I just want something different. I want to look different. It's just time for something new, okay? This might be a little extreme, it might be, but we're gonna do it, you know? Fall's about to be coming through, and I just want different vibes, you know? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I might have a mental breakdown, I might, but it'll be okay because we can fix it later if need be. So I got 4 boxes, guys, but I got 2 red and I got 2 magenta, and I'm just gonna mix them together and get whatever color comes out. And then I just got regular 30 volume developer. If I wanted the color to be more vibrant, then I would have got 40 volume developer, but we don't even know what this color is gonna look like. So I just went ahead and went with the simple 30 volume developer. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair just to make the process go easier. So I'm just gonna split it in the middle, and then I'm gonna split it in 2s. Twist this up to make sure that it's out of the way. Okay, so now I'm just gonna split this side in half as well. Now I have this section. I'm going to mix 1 red and 1 magenta. Which one is this? This one is magenta. So I'm just putting it in here. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
That's so red. Also change into a t-shirt that you don't really care about. This is an old t-shirt. And I'm gonna take 1 red. And then it says equal parts of developer. That much, I guess. And you wanna make sure that you get it to a really nice consistency. Looks pretty good to me. And I'm gonna start. Oh my gosh. Then I'm just gonna drag it down. Oh my gosh, there's no turning back. There's no turning back. This can't end good. I'm just trying to get everything, so I'm gonna go back and use all that I can. Now I'm just gonna do the exact same thing, these other 2 colors. So now I'm just gonna put a bag over my head. It says process for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna set my timer and I'm just gonna relax till then, and we will come back and see what the results are, guys. finished look. I'm officially a actual like redhead. My curls are still popping, as you can see. I'm getting used to it. It's definitely a huge change, but it's super pretty. I love how vibrant it is. Yeah, but guys, this is the result. So what do y'all think? Let me angle this up. So guys, what do you think? Do you fucks with it or not? Because I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel on the road to 1K. Thank you all so much. I love you all so much, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.